just going to start with some concealer. Can you see me there? So just putting some concealer on my nose and under my eyes and on my forehead and on my chin, cheeks, and upper chin, and then here, and then we're just going to, I need to buy some sponges, but right now we're just going to rub it in with all of our fingers, like so. So I'm just rubbing in all of my concealer to cover my face as smoothly as I possibly can, like so. And then I am just going to basically now I'm going to apply my eyeshadow, which is going to be, first off, we're going to go in with the brown. So I need to just roll this up like so, and then just literally go around the eye socket with one layer, and then the other one, the eye socket, like so. And then we're going to get this pen, and we are going to be now using the black. So we're just going to go over with the black on the eyelid, like so. There we go. And then we are going to actually add on some silver from the other side of the chubby stick. So we're just going to go like that, and on the other one like that, and let that dry for a few seconds. And then I'm going to move on to the lips, so take up my chewing gum and then curl this up and dry the lips and just go like so. And then just colour it in. We're actually going to be using the lip stain, the felt tip lip pen, to colour it in. So just go like that. And then we are going to be adding on some of our lip oil. Like that. And then we are going to be adding on some lip gloss as well. Like so. And then we are going to now be going in with some eyeliner. This is not the eyeliner I hoped for, but we're just going to put it on the lower rim here. Like so. And then I'm going to get some blush stick, pink blush stick, and go like that. And then just rub it in with our hands. And lastly, we're going to get our mascara. Just go like this and apply the mascara. Like so. And then just use this pen and just go, oh, isn't that nice? Just to cool down the face, the nose, and the chin, and the forehead. Just roll it over your face like so. Et voila! That is the finished product. And then we are just going to spray. This is the Cerruti 1881. You see that? Cerruti. And then we're going to now put on 1 and 2 and 3. That's too small for that one. 3 and 4 and 5. Got our rings on our fingers. And then we're just going to lastly curl our eyelashes. 1 and 'That didn't do very well. Like so. That's it. A quick and easy makeup look, and we'll just take this off now and spread this down, and then there you have it, my quick and easy and everyday beauty makeup look. Wait, and we forgot to put the glasses on. Let me just go like this.